Hi everyone, in today's video I am going to discuss about writing a C program to find the factorial of a number. So before coming to today's topic, I just want to tell you guys that if you guys like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any questions then let me know in the comment section. Now let us start our discussion on writing a C program to find the factorial of a number. Let me first write the output of this program. When this program gets executed, it will ask the user to enter a number. Then I will enter 5. That means I want to find the factorial of a number 5. Then how we can get the output? By multiplying the number 5 by 4 and then 3, then 2, then 1. And we will get 120 as an output. So just looking at the output, we can clearly say that since we are accepting one value from the user, so to store that value in our program we require one variable, and that variable will be of type integer n. As you can clearly see here, each time I will be keep on multiplying the value n with a value lesser than the n value, and at the end I will be getting 120 as an output. Just by looking at this output, I can clearly say that there is a specific task which is getting performed again and again. And what is that task? That task is multiplication. So whenever in our program we are performing a task again and again, that means we can do that task in our program using any of the loop. Either it can be a for loop or while loop or do while loop. So by using any of these loops we can write the program for this. But right now I am using the for loop for writing this program. So I will use a for which starts with 1 until the value of I becomes n, which in this case 5. Let me just write that value directly here. Semicolon I plus plus. Okay. Along with an integer variable n, we also need to declare and initialize another variable with a name fact equals to 1. So every time initially I will be multiplying the value of I with the value of fact, and whatever will be the output, that output will get stored inside again this variable fact. So fact is equals to fact into I. This is our program. So now let us see how this code works. Initially when the I value was 1, then that I value will come here and gets multiplied with the value of fact, which is 1. 1 into 1 I will get 1 into 1 I will get 1 as an output. Okay, fact. Now fact stores 1. Then again value of I gets incremented by 1 and I value becomes 2. Now 2 into the value of fact, which is 1. 1 into 2. And I will get 2. Now fact stores the value 2. Then again the value of I gets incremented by 1 and I value becomes 3, and that 3 is also less than 5, condition satisfied. Then control will come inside this for loop to perform this expression. So fact is now 2. Okay, let me just write down fact into I. Okay, fact value is now 2. 2 into I value is 3. I will get 6. Then again I value gets incremented by 1. I becomes 4. Then the value of I gets checked here in this condition. 4 is less than or equals to 5. Yes, condition becomes true. That's why the control comes inside the for loop to perform this expression. Fact into 4. Fact value is 6. 6 into I value is 4. Now it becomes 24. Now fact stores the value 24. Then again I value gets incremented by 1. Now I becomes 5. For the value of I equals to 5, again this condition gets evaluated. 5 is less than or equals to 5. Yes, condition becomes true. 5 is not less than but equals to 5. That's why control comes inside the for loop to execute this expression. Now the fact value is 24 into I value is 5 is equals to 120. Then again I value gets incremented by 1. I becomes 6. Here 6 gets matched with 5. 6 is less than or equals to 5? No, condition becomes false. When the condition becomes false, control will not come inside the for loop, control will come outside the for loop, and that means for the value of I equals to 6, this expression will not get executed and we will get the output as 120, which is the correct output, which is the factorial of 5. Now the same logic I will be applying on the program. Clear screen, and I need to declare this n variable and fact variable equals to 1 semicolon. Now I need to display this message to the user, and then I need to read that number from the keyboard n. Now I need to use or write this piece of code. For I is equals to 1, or is less than or equals to n, I plus plus, then fact equals to fact into I semicolon, and now fact variable will hold the output, so I just need to print fact. Factorial of a number is %d comma fact return 0. I hope you guys have understood. So that's all for this video, guys. If you guys like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any questions, then let me know in the comment section. And thanks for watching.